Deuteronomy chapter 10, verse 14 and verse 17 and 18. Behold, the heaven and the heaven of heavens is the Lord's thy God, the earth also with all that therein is. For the Lord our God is God of gods and Lord of lords, a great God, a mighty and a terrible, which regardeth not persons, nor taketh reward. He doth execute the judgment of the fatherless and widow, and loveth the stranger, in giving him food and raiment. God is ultimate and just. He is right in all things, forsakes none, overlooks none, is fair to everyone.